Hi guys, this is Kush Shah. I'm the co-founder of Dos Pros Fresh Mexican Grill. And I'm here today to talk about Apollo Kitchen Equipments and the wonderful experience that we've had with them. We are a brand from United States, so we had a very specific kitchen equipment requirement that was supposed to be met in India. And with us launching our first unit in Ahmedabad, it was a major challenge that we faced. With help of Apollo, and we actually met Mr. Kunal and we visited his facility at Sanand GIDC. They have an amazing facility at Sanand GIDC, and with the help of their engineering and the professionalism and the kind of equipments that they have, they were able to match our requirements and go above and beyond what we were expecting. Successfully able to launch our brand in Ahmedabad, but had it not been for his professionalism and the team of Apollo backing it up, it would have been very difficult for us to launch in India. I definitely feel that we could not have found a better strategic partner other than Apollo to help fulfill our requirements in India. Also, there's been urgent requirements which they have gone out of their way and fulfilled. And we really cherish and appreciate this relationship, and I highly recommend them. And they've been uber professional in delivering their equipments on time, getting the finishing done on time. I highly recommend Apollo Kitchen Equipment.